Well, hello guys. Today I'm gonna teach you how to let's just continue the Sprite project. So let's get started now. Drag a label here and name it score. You can also rename the label, but we are not going to do that. And then now let me see. Okay, and we need a producer. Okay, let's just drag the label one text out. Okay, and there. Oh yeah, we need the join button. Now, send like score equals. Okay. And and we need this thing. Let's go boom. Score to 0. And there'll be the marks one thing it's another thing, and okay. And now we just grab this set. Global score to okay. Check up a code. Yeah, you're gonna drag another score. Let's just drag this. And get global score plus 1. Okay. Don't switch it to 0, switch it to 1. Okay. And now okay. Good. Drag it to here. Okay. Okay, and duplicate it. And put it here. Now I got it. And let me see. Yeah, something's missing. And now co-producer. Place it here. So there you go. One thing it's another, it'll just gain points. So thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.